What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another reaction, my favorite TV shows. So today we're going to see Diesel Seagulls, and we're going to see what happened when he found the seagulls. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, Diesels are carrying this one. Oh, and there's seagulls. Did you see that? Oh, he was amazed about that seagull. Calm down, Diesel. Oh my goodness. How hilarious.
I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, random dogs to find
Okay, now he's going to take seagulls to Brandon Docks. Oops, I think the seagulls just getting over to tree, and he forgot him. There you go. And now he made it to Brandon Docks. See? Oh, I'm glad that seagull found this one. He crawled in so quickly. He did such a good thing to help us find this one.
I guess so. Better go pick up my delivery.
Oh, now the duck shouldn't be down here. She should be up at the duck pond.
Okay, Ducky. I'll take you home.
The diesel wreck is never done. It was such a great time. And I think that's it. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video.